Told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when
How you getting on, Wendy?
This is where you can get off.
Are you a bit tired?
Exhausting lazy river I've ever been.
This is where you can get off if you want.
Right, but if you get off here, then do you?
Go and relax on the recliners.
Yeah. Then do you go and have a beer?
Yeah. But there's a cave if you want to continue. And they've got water jets, so like you get float. It's crazy.
Crazy.
Are you gonna get off now?
What's the choices?
Do you rather get off or go into that cave?
I'm halfway now. If we go to
Are we the full way or halfway?
I don't know. This isn't the full way.
Where's the end?
The end is very far away.
Oh. What do you want to do?
Not very.
What do you want to do?
We just did about. We just did about
Even on
2
the way
quarters
back
maybe. Or like
2 quarters?
or like 1/4 of
If
it.
we go down there, are there more places we can get out?
There is.
Okay.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah. Let's explore a bit more then, and then we can get out.
Let's explore the bar area.
Let's explore the full bit. Let's explore the full bit.
What's through there?
That's where it continues.
Is that what we're doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna continue.
Oh.
Because why not?
Well, why not?
Why not?
Absolutely.
And there's
Absolutely.
water
Why
jets,
not?
so you go flying.
Oh, that's what I want to do. I want to go flying. People.
You've been recording for 1 minute 40.
Oh, Wendy, such fun we're having.
Yeah. I can hardly breathe. My legs are exhausted.
Right, we're going into the cavern.
Yeah.
Look at this.
At the end there's water jets.
Do you reckon we'll survive?
I survived.
It's like rocky hole.
Oh, look at the stalactites. Or they stalagmites.
I don't know what the difference is. Only one's up and one's down.
Yeah.
They look like tonsils.
Oh, ow, oh! Water jet. Oh, God. Oh dear.
Here we go.
How are you feeling, Wendy? Oh, the floor's very close. Oh God, here we go. Look at you. How's it going, mate?
I can't see now. But it's worth it. There's birds soaring above you now. There's a parrot here somewhere.
Oh yeah.
There's a parrot here somewhere that flies very close to the ground. Or water. I want to see the parrot because
If there's any consolation, I didn't enjoy it either.
I can see where that parrot is.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. One big smile across my face. We used to dance.
Okay, we are just off for our dolphin swim to check in, and then our dolphin swim Andy's very excited about. Yeah, so the lockers are nice big lockers, and you just need to find one with a key dangling out of it. I leave those because we'll get our own.
Hey? Yeah, carry on. T-shirt.
Right.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to put you away now because we're going for our dolphin swim.
This is a good idea.
Hello. I saw one.
My claustrophobia won't even let me go under the water without my face.
Really?
Just can't do it.
I can do it.
I'd like to be able to, but I just can't.
Yeah, empty that out again.
She doesn't put my head under, I'm going.
I can breathe normally.
Well, there's some.
We keep coming back.
Oh, there's a blue one.
Yeah, it's not nice, is it?
Look at
Do you want to have a go? It's very claustrophobic.
To be